Brethren, we need to thank God for His mercy on us in this church, on our health, on everything. And as a result, we have discussed with the leadership of the church, and then that we should have a health awareness ministry. We know God has been so faithful, and we don't want to take things for granted. So
that's very good. Does that mean you're going to need volunteers or something like that?
Yes. As a matter of fact, we are opening it up to all paramedics, such as pharmacists, nurses, doctors, physiotherapists. Anybody that is good in the medical field should definitely join us.
Thank you very much, Daddy Home. This is going to be a great time, and I believe that God will help you with this outreach. Now to you, brethren, this is the time for you. If you're in medical line, this is the time for you to join this outreach, to make yourself available for God to use, for others, for the benefit of everybody. God bless you.